Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another unboxing. Today we're going to be checking out the Lekato guitar transmitter. But this is the box when you first open it. You got the transmitter receiver, and here's the micro USB which is used to charge them. So we'll put that on the side. And this is the transmitter. Now this transmitter goes into your guitar or your instrument of choice. It also has an auxiliary port, and the cable tip is movable like this, so you can get different adjustments. And this one is the receiver, so this one will go into an amp or an interface. It also has the headphone input that you could use, which I think is really cool. I'll probably try that out one of these days. And also the charging, and the same thing, you can adjust the tip for the cable. So starting off with the transmitter, we're going to turn it on by pushing the middle button once, and then we got the lights come on. So the red light means that it's trying to pair, and then the 3 white blue lights that you see is the battery life indicator. So if there's 5, that means it's full, and right now it has 3. So basic instructions: push it once to turn on, push it once to turn off. And if you're trying to pair with it, you long press it for 5 seconds and it should pair. But I think it automatically pairs once I turn it on. So let's see this. Now with the receiver, it's the same exact thing. This one has more battery life to it. And again, push it once to turn on, push it once to turn off, and then you do a long press for like 5 seconds and it should pair up. Alright, so these two are already paired up, so I'm just going to turn this on, and we're going to see the lights. They're flashing on its own, but then it's going to be the same as you see it, and that means that they are paired up together. So again, the transmitter goes into your instrument, and this one will go into your amp or into an interface, like my interface right here. Alright, so I got my guitar and also the transmitter and the receiver. So the transmitter actually goes into your instrument, basically just placing it right into here, and you guys can do many angles, but if you do this then it's gonna fall down, so I guess just choose the right angle for you. And then this one is gonna go into your amp, the receiver, or in this case it'll go into my interface, which goes into the back of this. And I'm going to turn this on. It's going to start blinking, and then I'll turn this on so that they can pair together. So once it stops, that means they are paired, and right there. So let's see. So off the bat, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I can kind of hear like that frequency noise. It's not too loud, but if you really listen to it, you guys can hear it. So let's try this out and see the quality of this. Alright, so hearing it first, it really sounds clean compared to my guitar cables, which are pretty old too, but I guess the clearness of the sound and then the tone like this. did want to test out too is the distance that you can go. So we'll try that out also, just to see, you know, where it cuts off, if there's any delay. So far the delay, you know, close like here, you guys can see it. There's not any delay, maybe just like a hair, but so if you guys want to check it out, check out the links in the description. I'll try to have it in the comments. You guys can also check out their Lekato loop pedal. This one I already did a video on it, so check that one out too. Very cool. But thank you to those guys for sending me the pedal and also this wireless guitar transmitter receiver thingy. But yeah.